Education is important in teaching them the benefits of inclusivity in your organization. So having trainings like this and teaching people the importance of hiring a more diverse group.
I think in building some really great community partnerships with other organizations who are truly committed to this cause. And then also just seeing Black people, more Black people coming to the park, more Black people applying for jobs at Heritage Park, that would be successful for us.
Calgary Philharmonic belongs to everyone. And that, of course, comes across in a variety of ways through our programming, through the audiences that we're looking to attract. But of course, it starts on the inside. It's very important for us to work with partners like this UNGANISHA project to make sure that we're doing much better on that and learning on that. It's an ongoing process that the organization's been leaning into for the last few years.
I believe that whether it's creativity, whether you're in STEM, whether you're in any other aspect of jobs, we do face racial biases, and that is something that we need to battle. So I was hoping that with this organization or with this project that I would play a hand in actually developing that in Calgary.
I think initiatives like this are important because it provides the opportunity to hear different voices and look at things from a different perspective that oftentimes we wouldn't normally get. It's that collective work as well. It's nice to see so many organizations being involved in this as a collective thing, realizing that it's not just for one organization, it's a larger organizational and systemic issues that a lot of us are facing.
Be able to communicate, that's one way to breach the barrier that, okay, that this person, you think that he might not be able to do certain things until he's able to speak up for himself, talk to people and show what you're made of.